Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and today we're making an Ikarian chickpea stew. Very healthy, ridiculously easy and delicious. This traditional Greek-style stew is so easy to make at home that I'm pretty sure it will become one of your favorite dishes. Let's get started. So we're gonna need 250 grams of chickpeas soaked overnight, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large and ripe tomato, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 3 laurel leaves, 2 chili peppers, 1 large clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and guys, we have a video on how to make your own organic apple cider vinegar with the mother at home. So I will link it below for you so you can check it out if you want. And last but not least, 3 teaspoons of salt. And that's it. Alright guys, so first thing we want to do is to peel and dice the tomato and chop the parsley, and let's cut the garlic and the onion into quarters. And now we're gonna use a deep medium-sized pot, and we're gonna pour 1 liter of water inside, and we're gonna add the chickpeas and the salt. And let's bring all this to boil over high heat. And you will see that foam created on the surface, so simply collect it just like we do. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. And now we simply start adding all the rest. It's so simple. All right, so let's add the tomato, and now the onion, the garlic, the chili peppers, the laurel leaves, and half of the parsley. Continue with that dried oregano, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, along with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And that's it guys, we just give it a stir. And for the first 15 minutes, we cook it over high heat without covering the pan. And later, after 15 minutes have passed, we just switch it to low and we cover it, and we continue cooking for about 60 minutes. And of course, it can take a bit shorter or a bit longer depending on your chickpeas, and that's because all chickpeas are different, and some are cooked faster, some slower. So guys, you just try it, okay? Just after 45 minutes have passed, just go ahead and try the chickpeas, and if you see they're soft and fully cooked, that's it. It means that it's ready. So it looks amazing, it tastes amazing, and now let's make it even healthier by adding the fresh parsley on the top, and let's go ahead and sprinkle it with a bit additional fresh olive oil as well. And guys, we really hope you enjoyed that stew, and please let us know if that was the case down in the comments, all right? And of course, I'm gonna link more similar Blue Zone inspired and Ikarian-diet recipes for you down in the description below. And on our blog, which is called The Bright Side of Life, you can find so many delicious, healthy, and easy Mediterranean diet recipes, so feel free to check it out as well. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more, and thank you so much guys, and I see you the next time.